This microwave shelf expands from 42 to 64 centimeters, keeping your countertop tidy. Its rust-proof design adds durability while neatly storing tableware. This pot organizer declutters under cabinet space with a sliding design, making pots, pans, and lids easy to grab. This rice dispenser keeps grains fresh in a compact container, making pantry organization and meal prep much smoother. This vegetable dehydrator removes moisture from fruits and veggies, helping you prepare healthy snacks without hassle. This rotating storage rack maximizes kitchen corners with a 360 spin, offering easy access to spices and bottles. This vegetable chopper speeds up slicing and dicking with multiple functions, making cooking prep faster and easier. This kitchen scale ensures precise measurements, helping you get every recipe just right with minimal effort. This instant water heater quickly warms water for kitchens and bathrooms, perfect for fast and convenient use. This air fryer's large capacity and oil-free cooking let you make crispy, healthier meals with less effort. This immersion blender packs power and versatility, allowing you to blend, mix, and puree with ease for smooth results every time.